Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're gonna get you set up with the geometric indicators. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So it's very important that all the indicators that we have are invite-only scripts on TradingView. Okay, what what does this mean is that you can just search for them, you need access, and they won't appear in the public library. Okay, so step one is that you have to submit a request access, go to course resources and go to resources section of this course. You'll find the link there. Click it, fill out the form with your TradingView username and then submit request. Cool. So critical first is check your username, okay, correctly. And I've had students me saying that I can't see the indicators and it turns out they typed their username wrong. So double check that, okay? And step two is once I grant you access, what usually happens is it takes 24 to 48 hours depending on when you submit. You can find the indicators in TradingView. All right. So step three is find indicators in TradingView. All right. So what you have to do is like go to your chart indicators and instead of searching the public library, you can click on invite only scripts. All right. And these are the different indicators that I'm going to be sharing with you. Structure, cycles, range, wave, RSI, and Wyckoff methodology, okay? So I didn't share on the first lecture, so let me show it to you. So this is the Wyckoff trading system one. Okay, as you can see, selling climax, automatic rally, and if I go here, I can add, so this is accumulation, I can add. See, there's LPS upthrust. So let's do the upthrust. We can do LPS if it's there. The LPS and then spring, all this stuff. Okay. So you can play around with it and see it for yourself how it's working. And if it's accumulation, this is your first target if you're entering there, right? Like that. All right. So that's the overview of Wyckoff. Um, So this one we'll use throughout in the Wyckoff strategy indicator because it combines everything, okay? Learning approach is we're gonna learn each component separately first so you understand what's happening under the hood, okay? So structure, cycle, range, wave, RSI, and we're gonna apply it in Wyckoff strategy, okay? So step four is add indicator to chart, all right? And you can just, as I showed you, right, just click the indicator on the chart and it will add it, okay? Adjusting settings, you can adjust the settings by clicking on the gear icon, but for now the default settings are fine, and we'll talk about customization later, all right? So tip is that you start with defaults, then customize as you learn the system, okay? Access duration, I'm gonna be giving you access to the indicator for 1 year, and your access includes 1 year of indicator use as part of this course. After that, you can renew if you want to continue using them. Okay. So the real value is once you learn the methodology, you'll understand the concepts even without the indicators. Knowledge stays forever. The indicators just make it easier to see what's happening. The knowledge stays with you forever. Okay. So these are the process that we talked about and key point cover this. And in the next lecture, we're going to talk about different markets, crypto, forex, stocks, which ones are best for day trading with this system. And so I'll see you there. And we're all set. Now you're ready to start using the geometric indicators. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next lecture.